Hello, let's learn today about the soft and hard G. The letter G has two different sounds. Soft G, we pronounce it as ja, ja, and hard G, we pronounce it as ga, ga. When do we pronounce G as ja, and when do we pronounce G as ga? Let's start with the soft. We pronounce the letter G as ja, ja when it followed by one of these letters, E or I or Y. For example, giraffe. Here, the G is followed by I. Gem. G is followed by Y. Energy. G is followed by also Y. Orange. G is followed by E. Huge. Also, G is followed by E. This is the soft G, followed by one of these only, I or Y. The hard G. When we pronounce G as G, when it followed by one of these vowels, O, A, or U, or any other consonants. For example, goat. G is followed by O. Grains. G is followed by one of the consonants, R. Garage. G is followed by A. Good. Glass. Games. Goal. Go. Foggy. Guitar. Garden. Green. This is the hard G. We pronounce it as G when it followed by A or O or U or any other consonant. This is the hard G. We pronounce it the hard G as G, G, goat, green, glass, and the soft G we pronounce it as Ja, Ja, giraffe.